Welcome to Wheeler's Garage. We're getting ready to put on the guardrails that we painted up here earlier. I have found a real neat method of doing this. I basically stick this down, let it fall, bring it back just a little bit, and then get this thing working. Okay. Lose your place, put it back. And put a little dab on the end there. Come on. Little dab on the end there. Okay, now bring her up, squish her around a little bit, make sure you got some. And connect it there. Make sure it's up against our little lip. That's why I left that lip on here, was so I knew I was going to do this. I knew I'd need a way of attaching it. Don't forget to put one on the end again. Didn't you do that last time when I said put some on the end? That is quite sturdy, considering that it's just balsa wood. I guess I could probably put a pencil mark down there. That might be a little more accurate for me. Yeah, we'll get her done. There, I know we got that one good. Had gloves on, I was out painting. Now you got these little spider webs. We'll have to clean this up some. Yeah. What I will probably do is go back over this whole guardrail with Mod Podge, basically to strengthen it. I'm not going after the sheen factor so much as I am the added strength that will be added. I didn't quite get this one pushed all the way over to where I wanted it. I want them glued better than what they're getting. What do we got going? There we go. Had a blonde moment there for a minute. Can't hardly see that, so we know this works. Well, you see now, I'm going to have to, I think I got a couple pieces out in paint still. But you get the drift on how easy that is to put that on there, and you've seen me build them if you watched the previous video. Now this top up here, the option that I'm thinking about doing with it. Oh, do you remember this guy? Take some of this corrugated material, paint it silver. This is about the right height for it too. Then have like a back fence. Maybe even make a little miniature gate in the fence. This would be like a overflow parking for the downstairs, like a storage area, I would assume. Well, anyways, we'll keep chiseling away on this, get her done. You have a good evening. Wheeler's Garage.